Overview of the IELTS Speaking Section. Hello everyone. Today, we're diving deep into the IELTS Speaking Section. This is a crucial part of the IELTS exam that tests your ability to communicate in English in real-life situations. Let's get started and understand its structure and what to expect. The IELTS Speaking Section is divided into 3 parts, each with its own unique format and set of questions. 1. Part 1 Introduction and Interview. In this part, you will answer questions about yourself, your family, your studies, and other general topics. It's like a personal interview and lasts for 4 to 5 minutes. 2. Part 2 Long Turn. You'll be given a card with a topic and a set of prompts related to that topic. You'll have 1 minute to prepare and make notes, and then you will speak for 1 to 2 minutes about the topic. After you finish speaking, the examiner may ask you 1 or 2 questions about what you just said. 3. Part 3 Discussion. This is a more in-depth discussion where the examiner will ask questions related to Part 2's topic. Here, you'll get the chance to discuss more abstract ideas and issues. This part lasts for 4 to 5 minutes. To succeed in the IELTS Speaking Section, consider the following tips. 1. Stay calm and clear. It's natural to feel nervous, but try to stay calm and speak as clearly as possible. Remember, it's about communication, not perfection. 2. Listen carefully. Always listen to the question carefully. Make sure you understand what's being asked before you start answering. 3. Expand your answers. Rather than giving short, one-word answers, try to expand on your thoughts. It's your chance to show off your English skills. 4. Practice regularly. The more you practice, the more comfortable you'll become. Try practicing with friends, teachers, or even in front of a mirror. Just like any test, there are pitfalls to avoid. 1. Being too short or too long-winded. While you should expand your answers, avoid rambling. Be concise and to the point. 2. Memorizing answers. Examiners can tell if you're reciting a memorized answer. Be genuine and spontaneous. 3. Not answering the question. Always stay on topic and make sure you're addressing the question being asked. There you have it, an overview of the IELTS Speaking Section. With the right preparation and mindset, you can tackle this section confidently and effectively. Remember, practice makes perfect. We hope this video has been enlightening, and we wish you all the best in your IELTS preparation journey.